He's like, let me live, bro, let me live. Good point.
Yeah. Try it first. Nah, you don't want to eat this. This the mouth, man.
I ain't seen this one.
Up and some sea urchin today, fresh uni, sushi style.
Straight out the shell.
Just caught it up. Deep blue sea.
RIP to all the oni that will be consumed in the filming of this video.
It's 5 coming every one of them. That's how it's shut up. Literally. No matter what color you eat, from here, California, all the way to the south. So here we go. Raw, fresh sushi. Une.
How you feel?
It's delicious, man. It's good.
Straight from the ocean.
It's creamy taste to it. all of it.
A creamy delicacy. Those little black things right there.
Call me so you get this. Just call me so you get this. Let me take a hit. Yeah, life is a journey. Where's where you're gonna go earn, you see. Money up, money there, money there. Don't be scared to go there all over, yeah. Just wanna see the world. Do you like to see how I wanna see? Do you wanna be who you wanna be? Do you choose to sightsee? Everybody's life is a journey. Don't matter if you leave your state or not. Everybody's life is a journey. Heartbreaks happen a lot. Everybody's life is a journey. You don't gotta leave your state at all. Everybody's life is a journey. Every day you're seeing different things. Every day you're gonna do a different damn thing.